Hello guys, today we're gonna play Monkey Buddies. By the way, I got an update and apparently that is there. And if you want to join me in Monkey Buddies, join this code. I'll be here every time I am making a video. So I hope you guys really enjoy this video. So if you want to see what Monkey Buddies is like, it's like Gorilla Tag, sort of, but with horror and also a tag. And finally, tag isn't on beta anymore. It's just tag now, which is pretty fun. That's parkour. I'll do that later. And yeah. These are the cosmetics. Well, it's only these ones now, right now. 1085. By the way, if you want to get the mod menu, it's $10.69. And yeah. This is the mod menu. Grip Monkey. It's where you can walk on slippery walls. Broken controller. I would not recommend that, but if you want to be hardcore, you can use it. It's where you only use one hand. Speed boost. By the way, for some reason, tag doesn't have speed boost, I think. Parkour. Let's try it. Bro, if I found that, that'd be insanely painful for the monkey. No! No! Well, that just hurt. This is platforms. They're black. For some reason, every time I touch the wall, this happens. Teleportation. By the way, the platforms aren't sticky, so you don't get stuck on them when you're playing tag. This one, oh god. This one is pretty hard for speed boost. You sometimes go overboard. This part is kind of hard for me. Let's go! I made it! By the way, somehow you don't go with it when you're on top of it, so you're gonna have to walk with it. No, go! Oh, thank God. And doesn't teleport you. You're gonna have to dive into the lava like it's a pool. Whee! Well, that's parkour. That's tutorial, but somehow there's barriers so you can't get in. So, like when moderators, like this type of moderator, wait, what? Oh, I thought I could get in there for a second. So these are slippery walls. Say I'm trying to get up here. It'd be kind of hard, but if you use Grip Monkey, no problem. So I would recommend using this type of mod that's on the mod menu. No! Bro, this is kind of hard. No! I use a platform there. I'm gonna have to use my platform. Did you guys see that? Like, the map just disappeared for a second. Like, what the heck? See, it happened again. What? Oh, barrier. Can't go any farther. Can I get on? No, so close. That. Did you guys see that again? Bro, if I'm just going crazy, yeah. I am probably going crazy. Now I'm just wall running with platforms. Yeah. Here, I'm gonna try, parkour with no mods. See, you can tell that I have no speed boost on. Is it off? Yeah, it's off. Oh, that's so close. Bro, that part is easy for some people. I think, I don't know. But this part is kind of hard. No! Man, I'm just gonna be speed running this thing. Wee! No. Bruh. I'm gonna have to use my platforms for this. I'm stuck. Bro, let me up. I'm gonna try this again. Bro, let go. Come on. No! Oh, I thought I was gonna get hit that time. Well, another win. Well, there's one more thing I want to show you guys. Where is it? It's somewhere up there. I'm gonna turn on speed boost for this one, because it's kind of far. Bro, how would I mess that up? Let's go. And you guys are probably wondering, bro, this is just caves. Well, it's actually not. This is horror. You can tell by the red crystals. Well, see, there's a door. I turn off my, did I? Oh yeah, turn off my speed boost. Knock, knock, knock. I'm scared. Bro, that. Oh God, why did that keep on scaring me? I'm scared. Where is it? Oh! Peace, sucker. Oh! Oh! Bro. How are we gonna get past from this? Yes, it's gone. Ah! Bro, that scared the crap out of me. I'm gonna go this way, so. Whoa, he's camping. I really like the player model. Oh! Man, why does this keep on scaring me? Even though I'm not over there. Wait. 3, 2, 1. Go. Go, 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 go. Evil monkey. Ha ha, ha ha, sucker. Aha. Where is he going? Where is this monkey? I think I saw him. Nope. Where is he? I'm scared. I am really scared. Oh God! You're evil, little monkey. That was scary. Well, that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. If you want part 2, just let me know. Have a good day. Bye-bye.